Charlie's on. I got my maraca. Wait. Whitebird and Charlie. Oh, Whitebird! What? Did you meet Charlie? Oh yeah, Mexico. Yeah. Why did you invite me to Mexico? Because I didn't know you wanted to look at him. He was kind of different. No. Fine. Since you did that, you're gonna have to watch Charlie. No. I gotta get out of here. Ah, man. Here's a Charlie adventure.
Americans drink 48 billion bottles of water every year. That's enough plastic bottles to stretch around the earth 230 times.
Sorry, that was an accident. Hey guys, I'm Charlie. And today... Okay. Sorry for the interruption. Hey guys, I'm Charlie, and I'm sorry for the interruption.
This is mixed up.
So,
mix up your favorite foods with Lunchables with
I
100%
got
juice
this,
bubbles.
and I don't know what
The
it
eyes you're born
does.
with are the ones you keep. Think about this. Many children need eyeglasses or contacts and don't know it. This
It goes
can
right
affect
here,
learning
does
and behavior. But a comprehensive eye exam each year can change
Guys?
that. Find an eye doctor at
There's sand in here? I don't even put sand in there. Go try to get it out. I guess I just have to do this to get it out. Oh. That's so funny, Charlie. It's not funny at all. I'll show him. Hey, do you want some food? Yeah.
Was it the tree?
Yeah, it was. Who else would it be?
So
Of course I can talk.
I can do stuff. Okay. I'm gonna make a special thing ever.
Grandpa, I'm finishing my book on trees. Don't bother me till the end of the episode.
Oh, sorry. So, Mr.
Haha.
I have a lot.
Okay, what does he like? Well, you don't need this anymore. What is... I think I know what he likes. A sandwich. Okay. A perfectly nice sandwich. Redbird! What? And it's better be good. I made you a sandwich. Seriously? Just a sandwich? Yeah, I thought you like sandwiches. Who cares about the sandwich? It doesn't even have mayo on it. I can just put mayo on it. Too late. Nope. I don't like it. What do you mean I don't like it? I spent all my time doing that. In only 1 second? How could I do it in 1 second? That was like a minute or something. Even though you just got back from Mexico, I don't think I like the sandwich. What do you mean you don't like the sandwich? It's just so soft and squishy. Ugh. What? Bologna. Who cares about a bologna sandwich? Fix me something else. Frosted Flakes, because that's all we have. Frosted Flakes? I don't think so. Fine. If you don't like it, I'll eat it. Wait a sec. This bologna is expired. Really? Does it smell like it's expired? Just like milk. It smells like just like the milk that's expired. Expired? I don't know. It is. See, look. Look at this. It's greasy. It always been greasy. Has the red stuff. I forgot to take the red stuff off. Fine, eat it. Fine. Okay. Even though we don't have tongues, we do have a tongue. We just can't come with it. I guess we can just eat it, I guess. You eat it. Ugh, disgusting. Nah, I don't like it. Of course you don't. I won't eat it. Just eat it. Fine. Yuck! I told you not to eat it. You ate some of it. You did eat some of it. No, I didn't. Why would I eat one of them? You know why? 'Cause typical reasons. Okay. I'm going up here. What do you mean you're going up there? I mean I'm not coming down. And if you do it one more time, I will get you. Ow! Yeah, right. Yes. This is disgusting. I'm going to throw it in the trash. What? You're spending money. Never. Never, ever. Ugh. It's disgusting anyway. Ugh. So disgusting. Ugh. Stuff it in there. Stuff it, stuff it, stuff it, stuff it. You asked this for this. Yuck, 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 yuck. Yuck! Yuck! Yeah. Eat it, you stupid trash can. Okay. They did it. How about you want some water? How about that? Probably. But can you do something on the stove, though? See? This is what I mean. Like this. Like this. Yeah, sorry, it takes over. It takes a while. Come on. It's so hard. This will take a while. Whoa. Now that's real. Whoa. Okay. Maybe that's enough. Yeah. I want some bacon. You just had bacon. I want more bacon. Whatever. What's this? Ah! Okay, that's creepy. What What the heck? What in the world is that? Maybe I'll just watch TV. Oh wait, I'm upstairs. Gonna watch some Charlie. Bye, Whitebird. I'm gonna watch some Charlie. Okay.
Right, that's it. You clearly don't appreciate your parents.
Charlie. Charlie is off already? It's hot in here. Oh, it's so hot.
Come on, you've been in there forever. Oh, I'm sorry. If there's mom needs the water though, and you two are insensitive brats, I think you'll need to shower somewhere else. Okay, but I think you need to shower down there. You can say what you like, but you're not going to annoy me.
Look at me. Yawning. Okay, Charlie, do your thing.